This is Lacy Robertson, the hardest working woman in mortgage and real estate nationwide. And I want to share with you four big mistakes that homeowners make when they're trying to seek a foreclosure prevention option. Now, a lot of times you're behind, you're stressed out, you just want to save your home, but you want to make sure that you avoid these four things. It can cost you your modification or your repayment plan or your forbearance plan, whatever you're seeking to try to save your home. You want to make sure you avoid these. So I like to use the acronym LOAN. Okay. So you can remember these four things. L stands for listing your property for sale when you're trying to get help. Now, look, I know you may want to have a backup plan saying, look, if they don't give me a modification or a repayment plan, I don't want to lose my house to foreclosure, so I'll go ahead and sell it. But no, you do not want to list your house at the same time that you're trying to seek a loan modification or repayment plan. Look, you will confuse the lender, so you need to pick one. Okay. O stands for omitting pages of documents. Now, listen, you want to make sure if the document that you're sending in, for example, your bank statement, if your bank statement is 8 pages, you want to send all 8 pages. I know you may say, oh, well, the 8th page is copies of my checks, or the 7th page is just the summary page. Look, if your bank statement is 8 pages, you want to send all 8 pages. Okay. And A stands for adding income and expenses incorrectly. Look, you want to add all the income that's coming into your house. So if you're renting a room, that's income. You want to add that income. But then expenses, you want to omit like expenses that are not necessary. Look, a bank is not interested in helping you lower your mortgage payment just so you can pay, gym memberships or streaming services. So you want to make sure that you add your income correctly and omit unnecessary expenses. And then in is a big one. It's neglecting notices that come in the mail. Look, I know you may say, look, I'm stressed. They keep calling me, they keep mailing me. You want to make sure you open up every single notice that comes from your lender, because guess what? They're time sensitive. And you want to make sure that you respond in the time frame that's given so you don't get a denial just because you didn't respond. So don't forget L, you don't want to list the property when you're seeking help because you'll confuse the lender. Oh, you don't want to omit pages of documents. If the document is 8 pages, 5 pages, make sure you send all the pages, even if you think it's unnecessary. A, you want to add your income and expenses correctly. You want to add all your income, and then you want to make sure that you don't add unnecessary expenses. And then N, you want to make sure you do not neglect notices. They are time sensitive. So for all your mortgage and real estate needs, I want you to visit me at modifymenow.com, or better yet, call or text 714-914-7254. I'm Lacy Robertson, the hardest working woman in mortgage and real estate nationwide. I look forward to working with you and for you. And until then, have a blessed day.